weather turned out to be a lot better than expected today, so I will actually go check out Kuning Waterfall and coffee. I got my breakfast, dragon fruit, banana, and mango. Very good. I'm gonna skip most of the getting to Kuning Waterfall, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Wow, okay. I am almost at Kuning Waterfall. There is no rain, so I'm super pumped. The weather is just perfect up here. It's a little cloudy. I had to stop to show you guys this. I'm not quite at Kuning, but the scenery here is ridiculous. It makes it completely worth the rain from the other day. We're on our way down to Kuning Waterfall. So I was here last year and they did not have these stairs. It was like way more of a trek to get down to the waterfall. So I'm curious to see further down like what they've done to it. Definitely a great sight to see. I'm coming back again because I enjoyed it so much last time. So let's go check it out. Fantastic time here shooting. I'm so happy I was able to make it. Pumped I could show you guys some awesome B-roll of this place because it is just so cool. I'm going to shoot a little bit more and then I'm going to get going, I think. So I will see you guys next time when I'm in Java. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I will see you guys next time.